Good morning. Today we can discuss training of civil servants. Already we learned All India Service and Civil Service. Today we can discuss about training of civil servants. After the independence, Constitution established in IAS to replace colonial Indian service and ensure uniform and impartial standards of administration. That we have already discussed. Then recruits are trained at National Academy of Administration, Missouri. Then they were termed as apprenticeship during the probation period. After probation period, they will get promotion from the junior scale to senior scale. Okay, then we can discuss about the foundation training program. In these three phases of training, in the foundation training program, there is three phases of training. Phase 1, phase means stage or step, 2-year training program to strengthen understanding of policies of social administrative environment and build confidence in shoulder and discharge effectively in the responsibilities. They get an opportunity to re-examine field reality about theoretical aspect. So in the phase 1, they will issue 2-year training program. Through this training program, civil servants study about policies of social administration, and they will get confidence to take responsibility very courageously, and they will learn everything theoretical aspect. In the phase 2, IAS trainees spend 1 year in the state to which they are allotted. They will get awareness about socio-economic, cultural condition of state. Firstly, they will allot to any state. In this state, they will get training and they will get awareness about social condition, economic condition, cultural condition of that state. Then they will learn administrative system of that state, management technique, language, then village functionary, rural housing, agriculture, industry, tribal, forestry, whatever may be in that state, everything they will learn. For example, if any IAS trainee appointed to Karaikal, then that trainee will learn everything about Karaikal, including the language, Tamil language. Then phase 3, after the completion of training in the state, the profession report back at the academy for about 3 months. Then after training in the state, he will go back to Academy of Missouri. Then next, in-service training program. Second stage, it is compulsory training. 2-week training in between 6 to 9 years. 2-week training service range 10 to 16 years. 2-week training in the 17 to 20 years. In-service training program means they will attend a training program within their own job. If any new IAS personality started his job, he must compulsorily attend the training, 2-week training between the 6 to 9 years of experience. Then in the next 10 to 16 years also, he must attend a 2-week training program. And after that, between 17 to 20 years of experience, he will attend 2-week training program. The next one is optional training. 1 week 1 week program at Indian Institute of Public Administration in every year, or 4 week program to be attended at 3 level of service. At different years of the service, he can at 3 levels of service, maybe 5 year, after 5 year, or after 10 year. Likewise, any 3 level of his service, he can attend 1 week program at Indian Institute of Public Administration, or 4 week program attended at 3 level of service. After the training program of 6 months, 1 year government evaluate their performance. After completing their training program, government will evaluate the performance of that training. These are the subjects related to the training session of civil servants. Okay.